So today I have a project that I'm wanting to work on. I have a barking dog next door that will not stop, so I apologize. But I have this area right here. Let me turn you around and show you. It's this area right here as soon as you come out of our back door on our patio area. It's just this little rock garden that I made a long time ago, probably like, I don't know, 7 or 8 years ago. And what I'm wanting to do is get all this picked up, move everything out, kind of make it like a big square instead of like curved like that. And then we have some benches, as you can see out there, that I was using for like my above ground tub garden. I mean, yeah, is that what it's called? I don't know, that did not even sound like it made sense. But anyway, I had my like container garden on top of those benches that we got for free from somebody my husband works with, was getting rid of them. But what I want to do is get this rock up and put like some smaller little pebble top rocks, maybe some more of those. I don't really know the plan yet, but I do know the first thing I have to do is get all of this rock up. And the reason I want to do that is I need something a little more level to put those benches on. And also because Elizabeth uses a wheelchair and she can't necessarily get on the rock. So we got to try to figure out a way for her either to get up here close and get on one of the benches, or have something similar to this, which we made this ourselves too, just so she can be able to get to everything. So that's all I'm working on today right now, is to get all of this rock put up, and I'll kind of bring y'all along. I'll put y'all in fast motion, kind of give you an idea of what it takes to get this just all cleaned up.
Buy you a hoe?
I did at a garage sale for $1. And I don't know if we want to get more of these or not, but I want to make it square, not round like it is. So I'm just going to get these out of the way for now.
You're gonna buy more of them, or
Yeah.
buy something? Take some
Either
of them
that
red-
or I might just use some, I don't know.
Got them red bricks out there. Shovel in them, or what are you gonna do?
I don't know what you think's the easiest.
Get the square point shovel.
Why don't we both get a shovel? We
Try
can
not to get as much dirt.
do it as half as fast, twice as fast. Okay, I'm returning. And I'm probably gonna put another layer of that black weed stuff too. Okay, so it is so hot here. I had to go put a bandana on, like he wears, because I'm just, sweat's just dripping. Let me turn the camera around and show y'all what we've got done so far. It's kind of a slow process. Whoa, y'all are like all up my nose. Hold on. Okay, so it may not look like much, but I have this whole bucket here, and these little things are kind of helping keep the sand out, but then they get stuck on this weed paper that I put down. Well, anyway, I mean, it's a slow process, but we are getting there. Slowly but surely. So we are making a little bit of progress. Woo, y'all, this has been a job. So he's decided to bring in the little trailer, and we're kind of shoveling the rest, dirt and all. I mean, minus the weed barrier stuff. And we're gonna put it in here because it's just too hard to try to filter every one of these little rocks out at this point. So we're gonna use this somewhere in our driveway that might need some rock and some dirt. But yay, super exciting. It's getting there. Definitely a slow process, a sweaty process, but we are getting there. I say we as I'm standing here filming and Larry's doing all the shoveling. So, but I have been helping, haven't I?
Yes.
So here's where we're at. We've got all the rocks up. We're not going to worry too much about the rest of this paper. It is so buried, it's hard to get up. So this is where we're going to stop for today. We've got, this is what we just had bordering it. There's all the paper we could get up. This is the dirt and rock that's going in our driveway somewhere, along with, I believe, this one too. And then this one is mostly just rocks. So I'm saving this for a little project that I want to do around a light pole that we have like in the middle of our yard, and a water spigot and all that kind of stuff. So we're just going to move this somewhere. That's why we put it in this, so we could put it somewhere and not have to dump it and then load it back again in here. It'll already be in here. We can just move it where we need to take it, and then when we're ready to use it, it'll be already in something and we can just take it and dump it. So yeah, making progress. So once we get to the next step or what we decide to do, I'll let y'all know. I got some babies over here with me today, so everything is just it's a work day. A lot of rock. Briley's been helping us. You want to say hi, Briley? Hi. She's been helping us pick up some rocks. So anyway, I'm super excited. So what I would love to have done is like our concrete patio, I would love to have that just extended out, pull these up, and then just have patio come out and around here and then line up with the house. So we have to call the concrete guy on Monday and just get a quote on that. That's my preferred choice, but if that's just way too expensive, then we'll have to do something different. So right now, in YouTube time, you will see what we decided to do next and the progress on it. But for now, this is where we're stopping for today. Yeah, it's gonna look good, huh? What do you think about it, Brigham? Nice. Are y'all excited? Brigham,
I'm happy.
are you watching?
I'm happy.
Look, right here. Concrete. What do you think about that, Riot?
So dirty.
It's so dirty. Brigham, what do you think? He's mesmerized. Yeah, it does look like rocks, don't it? So here is the addition. I want to get a different rug to put out here. I just kind of have that one for now. So the kids kind of have somewhere over here to sit and play with toys or whatever. There's Piper. But anyway, yeah, here's what it looks like. Here are all of the benches. I still have some things to clean up out here, like there's still some old concrete you can see over there. But we moved all of these benches over here. And I really, really like how these look. Here's this one over here. And then here's this one over here. So it worked out really good. So we have the little kids playhouse. I moved it over here. It's in the shade mostly. There's a certain time of day that it's in the sun, but that's okay. And then like I said, I put this I had this extra piece of indoor-outdoor rug that I used on my front porch. So I just put that there for now, and I'll go look for a bigger outdoor rug to go there. The only thing is that this does not have a cover, and so I do have to like sweep it and blow it off quite frequently, which it's okay. I got me a battery powered blower the other day, and I really, really like that. So that's making it a lot easier to keep clean. Plus I have all this other patio area here to keep clean. But anyway, overall, we really, really, really love having the extra space out here for the kids to play and for us to sit. It's got the extra benches, like I say, and we just kind of use this as a walkway too if anybody parks out there. So yeah, I am overall very, very happy and excited to have this addition to our outdoor space. So that's going to finish up today's home makeover video. I hope that y'all enjoyed seeing this little mini patio backyard makeover refresh. I don't even know what you call this, but we love it. We love this little extension. There are some things that I want to do, like underneath the benches. I'm just not really sure what I'm going to do, but we'll get into that on another day. I have another video coming up for y'all, which is the little flower bed thing I'm trying to redo around the light pole. But until then, we hope y'all have a wonderful week. We love y'all, and I'll see you really soon with a brand new video.